Hello all you tubers out there. It's Lock and Load 223, and today we're out on our little makeshift range. If anybody remembers this video, the micro conversion kit, I called it the macaroni. So we're gonna load this thing up today and do a little shooting, see what it's all about. There's the macaroni. If I remember how to, yep. We're gonna go ahead and put it together and load it up and see what we can do. Button for this one. Open it up. Release your slide. Empty. All the way forward. Lock it down. And now it works. So we're going to spin around. I got a target right down here behind you, and we're just going to turn it around here and fire some rounds, see how this thing works. So we'll be right back with you. All right, folks, we got the macaroni. We're going to load it up, see what it does. We do not have any sights on this. There's a rail here to set some sights on it. So all we're going to be able to do is, you know, point and shoot. But anyway, at least get an idea how it operates. You load your Glock like you always did, except for you use this charging handle now. Don't forget your ears if you want to keep them. We'll run another one through it. Slide lock back like I always do. Had the mag in it, hit your slide release, just like it always operates. So we'll lay this down. Weapons clear, empty mag. We'll lay this down. We'll go to the target and see what we did with no sights. Right here. Man, can you imagine you put some sights on this thing? That's a macaroni. Yeah. All right, well, we appreciate you watching. Please hit that like and subscribe. And it only takes a second, you know. And then you can forget about the channel if you want to. But that's the macaroni. What is it, Derek? What's it called?
Micro-roni.
Micro conversion kit.
Micro-roni.
Micro-roni's the real name, micro conversion kit. But you know what I call it. All right, peace.